All right, folks, this is not clickbait. Meta AI has officially teamed up with MIDJOURNEY, and you can now generate MIDJOURNEY-style images and videos completely free with no limits. Yes, you heard that right. Free, unlimited, stunning AI visuals. The images and videos you're seeing right now were all created using Meta AI, and honestly, the results blew me away. So here's what's going on. Meta recently signed a multi-million-dollar deal with MIDJOURNEY. That means Meta AI now uses MIDJOURNEY's image and video generation models inside their system. And the best part? You can use it right now, for free, with no restrictions. If you've ever wanted to use MIDJOURNEY but didn't want to pay for the subscription, this is your moment. You're basically getting MIDJOURNEY level quality for $0. All right, let's dive in. Step 1, click the link in the description. Sign up using your email. Once you're in, you'll see this chat interface. It looks a lot like ChatGPT because it works the same way. You can chat, write, brainstorm, but here's the cool part. You can also generate images and videos right inside the chat. To start, click the plus icon, choose Create, then select Images. You can tweak aspect ratio, resolution, and style. I'll leave them as default for now. Let's start with something simple, a realistic portrait. I will type a beautiful woman looking directly into the camera, natural lighting, cinematic depth of field, ultra-detailed 8K portrait, realistic skin texture, shallow focus, soft background bokeh, Fujifilm color grading, and hit generate. Wow, just look at this. The realism is insane. The lighting, the focus, the hair strands, the micro details in the eyes. This looks like it came straight from a high-end DSLR photo shoot. You can even see that signature MIDJOURNEY tone. Warm, artistic, a touch of cinematic flair. All right, let's switch things up and go anime style. I will say a peaceful anime landscape with cherry blossom trees, a small river flowing through a Japanese village, sunlight filtering through petals, soft pastel tones, Studio Ghibli style, hand-painted watercolor aesthetic. 4K. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Look at the lighting, the depth, the colors. It looks like a frame from Spirited Away or Your Name. It's soft, dreamy, emotional, everything you'd want in anime art. Meta AI absolutely nailed the hand-painted feel here. Now let's go big, a full-blown fantasy cinematic scene. Type epic fantasy battle on a stormy coastline, lightning strikes illuminating armored warriors, crashing waves, cinematic composition, ultra-realistic lighting, fog, concept art style, highly detailed, moody atmosphere. Holy, this is incredible. Look at that, the atmosphere, the lighting, the water effects. It feels straight out of Pirates of the Caribbean or Game of Thrones. MIDJOURNEY's influence here is so clear. You can see the painterly details in every corner. This is movie poster level work, completely free. Okay, let's go full sci-fi mode. I will say, futuristic cyberpunk city at night, neon lights reflecting on wet streets, flying cars, glowing billboards, high-rise towers with holographic ads, dense fog, cinematic atmosphere, inspired by Blade Runner. Wow, this one is straight out of Blade Runner 2049. Look at those reflections, the light scattering through the fog, the depth of the skyline. This is the kind of stuff you'd normally spend hours tweaking in Photoshop, and Meta AI did it in seconds. All right, let's try something more creative, a creature design. I will type a majestic dragon with crystalline wings soaring above snowy mountains, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed scales, fantasy art concept, dramatic sky, inspired by fantasy realism and ArtStation concept artists. This is art. The crystalline wings, the snow particles, the soft light coming through the clouds. It looks like something out of a Dungeons & Dragons cover art. This is easily professional grade concept art. Let's try something more technical, lighting control. I will say, portrait of a man sitting in a dark room lit only by a single candle, Rembrandt lighting, cinematic shadows, ultra-realistic detail, sharp focus, vintage lens effect. See how it captured that triangle of light on the cheek? That's classic Rembrandt lighting, and Meta AI got it perfectly. This shows how precise you can get with lighting and realism. It's not just random generation anymore, it's photography level control. All right, now let's move into video generation. This is where it gets crazy. You can do text to video or image to video. Let's start with text to video. I will say, a lone warrior standing on a mountain cliff during sunset, cloak blowing in the wind, cinematic zoom out, golden lighting, epic fantasy atmosphere. Wow, look at that camera movement. The slow zoom out, the golden sunset, the gentle cloak motion. It feels like an opening shot from a Netflix fantasy series. Absolutely beautiful. Another example here is an animated cow sitting at a desk typing on a computer. Office background, Pixar animation style, expressive movements, humorous tone. This one cracks me up every time. Look at that. The cow actually types, pauses, sighs in frustration. It's got emotion, timing, and personality. This is exactly the kind of short clip you could turn into viral TikToks. Now let's try image to video. I'll upload one of my previous AI-generated images and give it some motion. I will say, add subtle camera movement and atmospheric motion, cinematic parallax effect, smooth transitions. Beautiful. The motion is smooth, no weird warping or distortion. Meta AI used to struggle with this, but now, thanks to MIDJOURNEY's integration, the motion feels natural and immersive. If you want to get better results, here are a few quick prompt tips. Be specific about lighting, camera angles, and style. Use art terms like concept art, cinematic composition, or hyper-realistic. For anime or stylized art, include Studio Ghibli, Makoto Shinkai, or Pixar style. And always mention lighting and mood. It makes a huge difference. So there you have it, Midjourney level images and videos for free through Meta AI. Meta made a brilliant move here. Instead of trying to compete, they partnered, and the result is one of the most powerful free AI creation tools available today. Whether you're a digital artist, filmmaker, or just love experimenting, go try it right now and create something amazing. Drop your best prompts in the comments, and I might feature them in my next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because AI creativity is evolving faster than ever, and I'll be here to show you how to use it. See you in the next one.